Oh my god. Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? Oh my god, today's vlog is gonna be insane. Not gonna lie, I'm looking forward to this day, but kind of not looking forward to this day. So today, I'm filming a video with Remy. As you guys know, last week, Remy took over my life for a day, and today is the day I take over her life. So this video is going to be a future video on this channel in like a week or two. I wanted to film some behind the scenes. She honestly gave me the rundown of what we're doing today, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like threw up in my mouth thinking about it. Like, she expects me to work out twice in a day. I don't know if she knows who I am. I don't work out twice in a day. Right now, I'm packing all of my stuff. I'm doing a photo shoot with Andre later today with Remy. I'm having a hard time. Ooh, this is my closet room, by the way. I'm having a hard time figuring out which clothes to bring. So I'm bringing Converse. I'm bringing my new Doc Martens. I'm bringing some sandals that I got from Cotton On. Since I'm working out twice today, I'm bringing an extra sports bra, extra socks, my bra, and then some clothing from Live and Jess. Like, these two pieces are Live and Jess, these two pieces are Urban Outfitters, and this piece is from American Eagle. And then I don't know if I should bring this piece, which is from Live and Jess. It's so freaking cute. And then also this piece is from Live and Jess as well. That is super freaking cute. And I'm trying to figure out an outfit with it, and I want to wear like black with it. I just need to pack everything into this bag, and I hope everything fits. Oh yeah, I'm bringing my makeup bag. Hold on, I can't forget that. I have my makeup bag with my makeup wipes and everything. How are my Doc Martens gonna fit? Maybe I'll just like carry that outside. Got my Target makeup wipes. I just don't want this to wrinkle because it gets wrinkly really easily. Okay, it fits. Everything fits. Let's go. Woo. Got everything. I need to bring my Chanel bag. I have had this bag for like 2 solid years now. I have only worn it once, and that was like maybe a week ago. And the reason why I haven't worn this bag is because they stupidly, so stupidly, left the security tag on this bag. Now, there was no way I could have stolen this bag because it was sent to me in the mail. The only store in the US that had it was in Vegas. They only had one left. I got the very, very last one. And of course, they dumbly left this guy on. Ram.
Welcome to my life.
Oh my god, am I gonna be you today?
Are you ready for the best day of your life?
I'm ready to die. Here we are, working out today. Hey, Chris.
Are you ready to die?
Are you kidding me? Did you just hear what he just said to me?
Okay.
Are you ready to die?
Yeah! But I really want you to just do a normal workout of mine. The whole 9 yards. Top's killing it, you guys.
Wow, I've only walked 0.1 miles and I'm sweating. Do you see this?
I requested all my favorite workouts, so we'll see what happens. How's it going, Tom?
I'm so mad at Romy.
I'm sorry.
Update, just finished my workout. The trainer, Chris, is in the car.
We're on our way to the next workout.
We're going to Soul Cycle in like a few hours. How'd you think I did, honestly? Terrible?
No, you did okay. You did better than last time for sure.
Really?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, that's good.
You did.
I tried a little bit harder, so I wasn't gonna be embarrassed in this video.
Aw, I thought you actually did much better than I was expecting.
I took so many breaks and might have cheated a lot that you didn't see.
Oh, was she cheating? Did you see her cheating
left and right.
Oh, she did? Oh, I missed it all. I was
Here we are, Soul Cycle, workout number 2. Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? Yeah, so as you guys can clearly see on my neck and by the title of this video, you guys will know my Halloween costume this year gave me burns. I got burnt, I got an allergic reaction. Like, it literally feels like my skin was on fire. Holy freaking cow, I cannot believe this happened to me. Halloween was exactly 7 days ago, and I honestly thought by day 7 my skin would look a lot better than it does now. My skin still looks so irritated. I have an allergic reaction to wax. I don't like getting waxed. I can't get waxed. I'm just allergic to some sort of ingredient in wax, and I've had an allergic reaction that looks like this at least 4 or 5 times before this happened. This is actually the worst it's ever looked. The day before yesterday, it looked so much worse. It was like almost blistering. This year for Halloween, I'll show you guys a photo. I wanted to dress up as a mummy. I went to Walgreens. Your girl got herself 5 rolls of self-adhesive gauze that is for like sports related injuries, and I figured this was like medical grade. I shouldn't be worried about it. And this is the costume. This is the costume. And I realized that this actually has synthetic rubber in it, and I never knew I was allergic to synthetic rubber until like 6 days ago. This is what my neck looks like. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I asked you guys on Twitter what I should do, and a lot of you guys said to take an oatmeal bath. Not gonna lie, I haven't done that yet, but I did find something that really helped the itchiness. A few days ago, the itchiness levels were a level 9 out of 10. Like, I literally wanted to punch someone to make myself feel better. That sounds horrible, but I would have punched someone if that meant the pain in this area would have gone away. I was slathering on my hydrocortisone creams. I was also taking so many Benadryls and Claritins. None of it really helped, but what I did find out that helped, and I don't know if this is okay to do, but I mixed ibuprofen, which is pretty much Advil, with my Claritin. It made it so much better and so much more bearable. Right now, the itchiness levels are probably at a 3 out of 10, and as you guys can tell, it looks really inflamed. And you guys are probably wondering, Tiffany, your mummy costume was on your entire body, not just your neck? And yeah, I actually have this all over my body, but this is definitely the worst. I do have little bumps all over my body, but it has gotten a lot better. Luckily, I wore a bra and underwear. So that was like a quick update, just because you guys are probably gonna be staring at this the entire time I vlog for the rest of the day. But right now, I'm actually headed to the Urban Decay pop-up store. They just launched their new Naked Cherry palette. I'm super excited to pick one up for myself. I'm gonna go with Daisy, and I'm still trying to figure out an outfit to wear that like won't inflame this area, but will hide it. I feel like over the last few days, anyone that talks to me kind of just stares at my neck or starts rubbing their own neck. Excuse the mess. But so far, I want to wear these shorts. These shorts are from Live and Jess. These are just our leopard print shorts. I don't know what to wear for my top, but I'm gonna just figure it out right now. So this is the outfit. Also, I need to do my hair. It looks really crazy. Dude, this looks insane. Holy cow. It literally looks like I got a chemical burn. This is crazy. If you guys have any suggestions on what to do to make this look better, let me know down below. All right, so I figured out today's outfit. I actually really like this outfit. So what I'm wearing right now are these shorts from Live and Jess. You guys can actually get it on Live and Jess right now. And this sweater is actually a sweater that I got from Australia. I think it's from a place called Glassons. And then my shoes are from Topshop. Also, a quick question I wanted to ask you guys. So I've been taking antihistamines twice a day for the last 7 days, and I feel like I've actually gained a lot of weight from it. I feel like I gained a solid 7 pounds in the last week, and the only thing that's really changed is the fact that I have been taking antihistamines. Has anyone else noticed that they gained weight from it, or am I crazy? I don't know. I feel not very confident, and I don't know if it's because I literally have a rash all over my body, or is it because I've actually gained weight? All right, update here. I actually changed the sweater that I was wearing earlier. The mustard sweater I was wearing actually showed my neck too much, and I was getting a little self-conscious. So I changed into this white sweater that is from Live and Jess. This is from like last year, so you can't get anymore. And then I also changed my shoes. My shoes are just white boots that I got from Forever 21. But I feel a lot more like comfortable in this outfit, so I'm glad I did this. Oh my god, the Christmas vibes are so real in here. I'm so excited for Christmas. Holy cow, Thanksgiving is in like 2 weeks. I currently feel like a little child, so we can grab whatever we want underneath the Christmas tree. I'm literally getting comfortable sitting on the ground, just grabbing whatever I want. I also have a bunch of stuff in here already. I get a lot of candles. Alright guys, I just got home. Holy cow, Urban Decay was so generous. They gave us so much stuff. But the thing I'm most excited about is their Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette. I also got a bunch of other little palettes, another Born to Run palette, and I got a bunch of like lip items as well. Here's some more eyeshadow palettes. And then they gave me a mini setting spray. I love their setting spray. It's currently 4:30 p.m. and I actually really haven't had a real meal all day long. This morning I ate a bunch of cashews, and it's crazy how many calories are in cashews. I had like 500 calories worth of cashews this morning. So right now I'm making myself eggs. I'll show you guys what I'm making right now. I cut up some mushrooms. I'm cutting up some green onions right now. I'm gonna make myself 2 eggs and then cauliflower rice. I'm gonna post a video really soon about my first 7 days on keto, so I don't wanna talk about it too much, but this meal that I'm eating right now is super keto, and it's like one of my favorite meals to eat on this diet. I forgot to vlog this, but I already started eating, but this was my meal. I had cauliflower rice with eggs and mushrooms and green onions and cheese. And right now I'm watching Younger, and my house looks like a mess because I just bought a ton of Christmas decor from Target, and I'm so excited to open it up. Hey guys, update here. So it is currently Monday right now, and I just figured I would update you guys because I'm editing the vlog right now and I didn't say goodbye. It's been 3 days since I showed you guys what happened to my neck, and a little update here. It looks very gross, but it is getting better. I am definitely scarring because of what happened, but if you guys can see, my skin is currently peeling. It's very disgusting. So I've literally just been wearing a lot of sweaters, but hopefully this gives you guys a little warning on making sure if you're gonna put something all over your body that you're not allergic to it first. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, check out my Instagram at Miss Tiffany Ma, and go ahead and follow me on Twitter at Miss Tiffany Ma as well. And you guys, the new stuff for my store, Live and Jess, is out. Go check it out. Everything is super duper cute, and you guys can use my code Tiffany for 10% off your entire order. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys. Bye.